Namaste students, in this video we are going to see third problem in exercise 7.1. Determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -1 are collinear. Children, tell me first what is collinear. If the 3 points lie in the same line, then we call it as collinear points. So first point I am going to take it as A of 1, 5 and B of 2, 3 and C of -2, -1. If we prove that, I am going to take a point here, B and C. If we prove that AB plus BC is equal to AC. If we prove this one, AB plus BC is equal to AC. If we prove this one, means it is collinear. The 3 points are collinear. If it is not equal, means it is not collinear. Clear, children? So first I am going to find the distance between AB and distance between BC and the distance between AC. If AB plus BC is equal to AC, means the 3 points are collinear. If it is not equal, means the 3 points are not collinear. Clear, children? So first write the formula. First what you have to write? Write the formula. D root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Clear, children? Box it. First I am going to find for AB the distance of AB. AB is equal to root of A point is 1, 5 and B point is 2, 3 and write which one is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, now write x2, 2, minus 1 the whole square plus 3, minus 5 the whole square. Root of 2 minus 1 is 1 square plus 3 minus 5 is minus 2 the whole square, and then 1 plus 2 square is 4 root 5. Next, the distance of BC. Distance of BC. B is 2, 3 and C is -2, -11. And then write which one is x1, y1, x2, y2. And then substitute in the formula. X2, be careful in the negative signs, okay. -2 the whole square plus -11 -3 the whole square, and then -2 is -4 the whole square, -11 -3 is -14 the whole square, and then 4 square is 16 plus 14 square is 196. If you add this one, what you will get, Kana? Root of 212. Root of 212. Okay. And then what you have to find, children? The distance of AC. The distance of AC. Clear? Write the points first. A is 1, 5 and C is -2, -11. So next write which one is x1, y1, x2, y2, and then root of x2 is what? -2 -1 the whole square plus -11 -5 the whole square. So -2 -1 is -3 the whole square, -11 -5 is -16 the whole square. Then 9 plus 16 square is 212. 56. 256. So if you add, what you will get? 265. 265. What we have to check, children? AB plus BC is equal to AC. AB is root 5 and BC is root 212 and AC is 265. It is equal, Kana? No, it is not equal. Therefore, the 3 points are not collinear. Therefore, the 3 points are not collinear. Clear, children? Thank you. Next question, fourth problem. Check whether 5, 6, 4 and 7, minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. You have to check the 3 points are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. So, I have drawn one triangle here. This is not isosceles triangle, just I have taken one triangle. You have to prove whether this one is an isosceles triangle or not. Okay. So first I am going to write the vertices 5, minus 2. This one I am going to take as A, and B 6, 4 and C 7, minus 2. You have to prove whether this is isosceles triangle or not. How we can tell this is isosceles triangle? If the two sides are equal, any two sides, AB or AC, AB or BC or AC or BC, any two sides equal means we can tell that this triangle is isosceles triangle. Okay. For that, what we have to find? We have to find the distance, that AB and BC and AC. Everything you have to find. How we have to find the side? By the distance formula. So first write distance formula. D is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. First write the distance formula. Okay, and then first I am going to find for AB, this side. Distance of AB is equal to root of. Write the points. First A is 5, minus 2 and B is 6, 4. So next what do you have to write? x1, y1, x2, y2. x2 is 6. So 6 minus 5 the whole square plus 4 minus of minus will be plus 2 the whole square. Then 6 minus 5 is 1 square. 4 plus 2 is 6 square. So 1 plus 6 square is 36. So the answer is root 37. The answer for this is root 37. Okay, and then what we have to find, Kana? Find the distance of BC. Distance of BC. Root of, before that write what is B and what is C. 7, minus 2. So x1, y1, x2, y2, and then 7 minus 6 the whole square minus 2 minus 4 the whole square. So 7 minus 6 is 1 square, minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6 the whole square. Then 1 plus 36 is equal to root 7. So the distance for BC is 37. And then we have to find AC also, no? Find the distance of AC. The distance of AC. Now itself we can tell that the this triangle is isosceles triangle because the two sides are equal. We have to find for AC also, then only we can tell whether it is a equilateral triangle or not. Okay, so check that one also. So what is A? A is 5 comma minus 2, C is 7 comma minus 2, and then x1 y1 x2 y2. So x2 is what? 7. 7 minus 5 the whole square, minus 2 minus of minus plus, plus 2 the whole square, then 2 square plus 0 square, minus 2 plus 2 is 0, then 4 plus 0 is equal to root 4 is equal to 2. So the answer for the distance of AC is 2. Anyway, the two sides are equal, so we can tell that this triangle is isosceles triangle. The distance of AB is equal to distance of BC. Both are equal. Since the two sides are equal, since two sides are equal, we can tell that the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Therefore, the given vertices, okay, given points are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Clear, children? So the distance formula D is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Thank you.